Well, hello, and welcome back to Tim's Brick Adventures. Hi, everybody. I am still around. I apologize. I been doing a lot of things, and I ended up going out of town for a few days, and just different things. So, real quick today, I got a Bricklink order. So I thought I'd do a Bricklink haul video. My good friend Ben Kirkpatrick, and he owns HTown Bricks on Bricklink. He really came through for me. I needed some parts. My Buffalo are selling pretty good, all different colors of them. So I ran out of parts, and he had a lot of what I needed. So that's, mainly what I needed, and that's mainly what this will consist of. I got, just kind of start. I'm always needing green panels. I used up a bunch of them with a different project, so I need to replenish them. And the 2x2 brown plate, used quite a few. I used those in most of the Buffalo. Brackets that I use. These are what hold the shoulders on. I'm giving away the trade secrets. Anyway, so I go through actually those are for the heads too. So I use like 3 or 4 of them with each one. So, and then I sold some white Buffaloes. So I need to replenish parts because I got to thinking that I had to do a Christmas sleigh being pulled by Christmas Buffalo. So watch out. I'm going to have a little video once I come up with exactly how I'm going to do that. I think that'll be kind of a fun. I don't know if it'll be a season 3 of Elves Gone Bad yet or not, but if I do, that'll probably fit into that. I got some inverted slope. Of course, I need white for the tops of the Buffalo because of the white. And these slope, he had them in dark brown, so I got some. I use them in I figured out in my mountains with the tan that I could do kind of a rounded ridge on the bottom. I think these are different, or they're the same one, but I got 2. But so it gives you kind of that rounded look on the underside of cliffs and stuff like that. So I'm excited about that. I'm going to start buying up a bunch of them for that. Of course, the dark brown round, that's the front legs. Ran out of them. These are just the reddish brown cone. I use them for like table legs, different things. So he had some of them. So I'm always with Bricklink. You know, you ought to make the most of your order. So and especially in this case, I didn't have to ship him because he's here in town locally, and he's really great about he'll meet you places, or you can go directly to his shop and get stuff. But you know, with shipping being what it is these days, it's better to make the order worth it. So anyway, and we got these, not headlight. They are like a headlight brick, but they're not the headlight. They don't have that little groove on them. These are what I use. These go in the head and the body of the Buffalo. I sold a couple of black bodied Buffalo bison. So I ran out of parts for them and different brackets that I need. 1x2 white and brown. I didn't realize just how many of those ended up in that kit. So I go through them pretty good. So slope pieces in black, so I ran out of them. The different ones, because those are for the underside of the body. Oh, okay, here's the other side. So more of these. I just always on the lookout for reddish brown. So I got this kind of arch, small arch here. I'm sure I've got some new ideas for some new buildings and stuff. So that'll probably find its way into that. These slopes here, there's quite a few of them in each one, head and body. So pink, I'm gonna try and make a pink buffalo. Story behind that, many of you know, I was honored with being asked to become part of the Pink Bucket Nation back in Brick Rodeo in July. My great friend, Julian Smith, he founded it, and he and I got to know each other, and he asked me to join. So he has a large pink castle that he builds and is always working on. And so a lot of his friends, whatever theme we like, we'll build something in those in the pinks, or as close as we can get, to go with the castle. So like he's got a spaceship, he's got a train, I've got a spatial surprise that I'm working on. So new video coming up. It's just, pink is not a color it's hard to get a hold of, and there's a lot of specialty pieces I need for what I'm doing, so it's going to be a slow process. But anyway, so I got that for him. I'm going to do a pink buffalo to go on mine, and so I got some parts. Actually, I think those are for the special project. And tail parts. I always need tail parts and ear parts. These are a newer piece, but he had them in tan, so I'm gonna try and do some new buildings for my Western layout, so it'll be nice extra piece to have. Those will be good for corners and stuff, and then just more brackets. Like I said, I had to order some white parts too. I've started getting into playing with motorizing things with the power up system and the power functions and stuff. So I'm gonna try and do some more with the Western build, and so I've been having to buy some parts for that. Just pink tile. This actually is for the buffalo. And I like, when I was going through my cowboys, putting them together, I would realize I was out of the black bowler. I like the bowler hat. It was a popular hat back those days, so I need a few of those. And then he also had this hairstyle in white. So I thought, you know, that's kind of a sexy up Mrs. Claus for Elves Gone Bad. You know, gotta always, you know, be thinking ahead. So that's it. I will put the link for his HTown Bricks in my description, so definitely check him out. He's always adding new stuff. He's got a lot of stuff on there. He does full-time now, store. And I think every week, couple weeks, or maybe month, he changes out. Different colors will be on sale. So you can always, you know, if you're needing a certain color, maybe you'll get lucky. But, well, that's it. Keep this video short, probably the shortest video I've ever done. So if I quit now, it'll be that way. So I thank you all. As always, I appreciate you very much, all you people that have been with me since the beginning. Any new people, please subscribe, share. As always, build these numbers up. And like I said, I've kind of been out of sync for a while, but we are going to get back on it and really start rocking and rolling again. And so with that, y'all be good. Thank you all very much, and we'll be talking at you soon.